Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Today we've come down to Jomtien Beach. Jomtien, that's why it's called Jomtien Beach. And there is, I believe, some news. So let's have a look. So here we are on the Jomtien Beach. It's a nice beach, it really is. They do a lot of stuff here, they really do. But the talk now in the news is when they are finished in Pattaya, they're going to start Jomtien Beach Rejuvenation and widen it the same as Pattaya. Work, I'm not sure how long it'll take, but it's not as extensive as Pattaya. But they're going to rejuvenate it, they're going to widen it the same and bring it right the way through, which would be nice, would be very nice. Every year they have all sorts of beach activities throughout the year. And at the moment going on, is the Pattaya Beach Games Festival. All the activities at the beach, they have the King's Cup, World Jet Ski races, competitions. Normally, I believe late November, I'll check it, I'll put a note on the video. But at the moment, the Beach Games Festival is going on. And at the moment it's the football. Teams from all around the world. See how we're getting on and what else will be coming. It's running from the 1st to the 24th of February. Opposite the night food market. Here's some of the teams that are playing. There's Group A's and B's. Norway, England, Thailand, Ireland. Group A. Group B, Holland, Japan, Finland, Russia and France. Uh, 5th of February, we missed a good one. England versus Ireland. England 1-7-4. So we've got beach football 1st to the 10th. Kick-offs at 6 PM every evening. Then the 14th to the 17th is beach volleyball. And then the 21st to the 24th is beach sepak takraw, which I have no idea what that is. And I'm not coming back to find out. So, beach will be the same as Pattaya. And is going to be rejuvenated, renovated, the same as Pattaya. I've just noticed that is a new, the yellow box. I'm not sure, I mean it's TT currency exchange. Colours. Let's go and find out what the exchange rate is. So it is a TT currency exchange, and that's for Friday, the 8th of February. Not looking too good. It's all dropping again. Australia under 22. Right, let's quickly, I'm going to take us down, have a last catch up on the Pattaya Beach. They are almost at Walking Street. They're almost at the beer garden. So let's go and catch the last bits. Why not? It's here, I'm here, we'll go. See you there. As if by magic, we're on the beach down the front, and have a look at this. That building you see in front of you, that is the beer garden. They're almost knocking on the door of Walking Street, the last part here. And that's the beach completed all the way around. Fantastic, absolutely. It's transformed the place totally. Absolutely, totally transformed Pattaya. Still got the boats there. But there you go, you can't have everything. Last bit at the back here. And will they go straight through? Will they carry on? The machines are here. If they don't, it never will happen. And all the media and everyone should stop talking about it every couple of years, how they're going to be knocking it down. So, it's not very long at all. Might be a bit longer than a shorty, I don't know. But, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, a like and a share. If you hated it, no, I couldn't give two monkeys. I really couldn't. But if you did, subscribe. You don't have to, but it would be nice. Does help, you know. 30,000 subscribers looming, and they can't all be wrong. Or can they? Who knows? Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Loving to love.